in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for western Lee County in north central Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Deer Grove, or 12 miles south of Rock Falls, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
No, I cannot.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Amboy and Woodhaven Lakes around 7:10 p.m. Sublet around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by those tornadic thunderstorm include Eldena, Lee Center, and Harmon. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds,
I might disconnect.
including the following Interstate 88 between mile marker 62 and 65. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
That means what my brother
Avoid
said
windows.
could possibly happen.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
My
protect
brother's
yourself
a
from
weather.
flying
He's
debris.
a weather nerd, okay? He's obsessed with it. That's